Let's be honest, we've all got that digital junk drawer. The one overflowing with files, confusing folders, and that constant worry that you're going to lose something important. Well, today, we're going to clean house. We're trading all that chaos for the cloud and finding a much, much better way to work with OneDrive.
Oh, you know this feeling, right? That pit in your stomach when your computer just dies, or that USB stick with your presentation on it is gone. It happens right before a deadline, every time. It's just so frustrating and makes you feel completely powerless.
But what if you could just make that feeling a thing of the past? Imagine having a system that doesn't just protect your hard work, but actually makes it super easy to manage and share.
So we're making the jump from local chaos to cloud clarity. This first step is really about understanding why moving your files into something like OneDrive is such a total game changer for how you work. Okay, so look at the difference here. On the left, that's the old way, right? Saving everything on your computer's hard drive. It's so risky. A single laptop drop or a coffee spill could wipe out years of work. But on the right, you've got the cloud. Your files aren't stuck on one machine. They live online, safe and sound, totally protected from any physical disasters.
And that's exactly where OneDrive comes in. Just think of it like your own personal, super secure digital vault. It's this one central hub for every single document, spreadsheet, and presentation. And the best part? You can get to it from your laptop, your phone, or pretty much any computer on the planet.
So, you ready to build out your own digital workspace? I promise, it is way, way easier than you think. Let's get your new command center up and running in just a couple of clicks. Seriously, this is it. 4 easy steps. First, you just go to office.com and sign in. Then, look for that little 9-dot icon, the app launcher, and click on OneDrive. From there, you just click New to make your first folder, and then Upload to start moving your files in. And boom, that's it. You're officially in the cloud. And here is the absolute magic of working this way. Autosave. As soon as you create a new document right there in OneDrive, it saves constantly with every single thing you type. You can finally, officially say goodbye to that little voice in your head screaming, "Did I remember to hit save?"
Okay, so your files are safe in the cloud. That's awesome. But, safe isn't quite enough. We need them organized. This part is all about creating a system so you can find exactly what you're looking for the second you need it.
Come on, we've all done this, haven't we? Look at the file on the left. Which final is the actual final version? Who knows? But the one on the right, instant clarity, Project Proposal Q3. Perfect. A good name isn't just for you. It makes you look way more professional when you share your work with others. So, here are 3 golden rules for you. Number 1, every project gets its own folder, no exceptions. Number 2, use those clear descriptive file names we just talked about. And 3, just take a second to drag and drop your files into the right folders. Trust me, a few seconds of organizing now will save you minutes, maybe even hours of frustrated searching later.
And now we get to the best part, because having your files organized in the cloud isn't just about storage, it's about sharing. This is where OneDrive really unlocks some amazing collaboration and teamwork.
The secret ingredient here is the sharing link. Instead of emailing those big, clunky attachments that are out of date the second you hit send, you just share a single link. It's like a direct doorway to your live document. And, this is the most important part, you are the bouncer. You control who gets to come through that door.
And that control really comes down to 2 simple options. View only is perfect for when you're sending out a finished report or maybe some instructions. People can look, but they can't touch. Then you have Can Edit. That's what you use for group projects, for documents where you need everyone to jump in and contribute. So if you remember one thing, let it be this. Sharing your work does not mean you're losing control. In fact, with OneDrive, you have more control than ever before. You get to decide who sees your work, what they can do with it, and for how long.
Okay, so beyond just storing and sharing, the cloud gives you some really cool new abilities. You can think of them as your new digital superpowers. They protect your work and save you from all those classic tech headaches.
At the heart of it all is this incredibly powerful, simple idea. Everything you need for every single project, it all lives in one secure, reliable place. No more hunting across 3 different devices and a dozen folders. Just one place.
And here are those superpowers. Check this out. Version history lets you literally travel back in time on a document to see an older version. It's amazing. Accidentally delete a file? No sweat. The recycle bin is your safety net to bring it right back. And with any device access, your office is wherever you happen to be. Your work is always with you. So when you put all of these pieces together, the secure storage, the clear organization, the safe sharing, you've really done it. You've gone from chaos to calm. You are now fully in control of your digital world.
So, the real question isn't just about using a new tool, it's about what this new control really unlocks for you. Now that you have these tools, now that you've got these superpowers, how are you going to work smarter than ever before?